colors are linked to phytochemicals.
Next slide. Try doing a draw.
Oh,
See if there's any.
am I still on record?
Yes, you're recording.
Okay.
That's okay. We're going to throw this away.
So, how am I going to do the draw?
This?
Oh, that
No.
didn't work.
What is, let's see, under slideshow, is there any like a cursor or kind of, thought there was some setting where you could do a cursor or line.
There is, I don't know, do you guys know, like a drawing function?
There used to be. Right there, maybe not like that. Okay, so, and I don't see anything down here. Oh, what did you just do?
Start inking.
Start inking.
If you look at this section, you'll notice this is a prescription.
See, that was an ink?
Put it in all, it's right there. Putting it all into practice. Be sure to read your handout. Now I have to do it again.
Oh, I have to select one of the inks.
Read this handout. Here. Oh,
that's actually a nicer line than the other tool.
Ink. I went up to, where did I go? Yeah, ink and pens. Okay. And then I stop it.